Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to boost Reels on Instagram. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you actually have three methods, okay? First one is in-app boosting. Second one is just organic growth, okay? And the third one is by using Meta Ads Manager. Now, for this video, I'm just going to be showing you the easiest one, which is the in-app boosting. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to your profile, select the reel that you wanted to boost. For example, this one, and then once that's done, go ahead and tap on boost post right here. Okay, tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and choose either with a Facebook ad account or without a Facebook ad account. So I'm just going to go ahead and select without, and on continue right here, and just make sure that your ad account is not restricted. Okay, so basically what you're going to do here in the next page is just set up your goal. Choose what you want. It could be more profile visit, website clicks, and then go ahead and define the audience. And after that, in the next page, you would now go ahead and set your budget and duration. You could go ahead and decide if you want to spend daily and how long the ad runs. It could be 1 week, 1 day, 2 days. It's up to you. Okay. And once that's done, in the last page, all you got to do is just tap on boost reel. Okay. You'll have to add in your payment method, of course, if you haven't done yet in your Instagram account, and then just boost the post. That's basically it. If you want to create a video about, using Meta Ads Manager for boosting your posts, it could be Facebook or Instagram, you can just go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Now, if you want the free one or the organic growth option, okay, just make sure that your video grabs attention in the first 3 seconds, okay? Use relevant trending sounds as well, include keywords and captions and relevant hashtags. Post reels regularly to train the algorithm and just stay on topic. If you post gaming videos, just post gaming videos into your account. Okay, if you post food videos, well, make sure that you don't mix your gaming videos with your food videos. Also make videos accessible and watchable without sound. You can go ahead and add in captions if you want to as well. And there you have it. That is how you boost Reels on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.